Welcome to our channel.
Paradise on my plate. Let's make breakfast chegodi today. Take a pan and put it on high flame. Add 4 cups of water. The ratio suits for a family of 4. So add 4 cups of water. Now add a tablespoon of cumin seeds, a teaspoon of Mung dal, and a teaspoon of Channa dal. Now let's bring the mix to a boil. Once it starts bubbling up, add about a tablespoon of red chilli. You can add up to 2 spoons depending on your taste. Also add about a table and a half spoonfuls of table salt. Mix it thoroughly. And now start adding rice flour. I'll be adding 2 cups of rice flour. And as you add the rice flour, keep mixing it. You should make sure that there are no lumps anywhere in the dough. This takes about a minute or 2, but keep mixing it. Don't let it go, just keep mixing it thoroughly. Make sure that there are no lumps. This helps us later in the stage. The dough slowly thickens. You should make sure that the water is evaporated enough for us to make the dough rolls later in the stage. So just keep mixing it. You can turn the flame to medium now. If the texture comes to that as shown, then I think it's the stage where you can take it off from the stove and then keep it for cool down. After resting it for about 15 minutes, take the dough into a small round shaped balls and then just roll it on the flat surface. You can apply some oil on the flat surface so that it doesn't stick to your hand or the flat surface. Once it's consistently even, just roll it up into the shape of the chegodi and join the two ends. I'm making another one now. Keep adding oil to the flat surface as you make few more, so that the dough doesn't stick to your hands or the flat surface. Take a pan full of oil and bring it to boil basically, and add the made up chegodis into the oil. So keep frying it until we see the bubbles slowly fade out and then the chegodis start to appear to the surface. Roll them over. So you can see the bubbles are fading out. So they are almost ready, and we can now basically take them and serve them. Just a few more seconds. Yeah, they are ready now. There we go. We have a nice breakfast ready. It only takes about 15 to 20 minutes to make this, and it's really tasty. This goes well with sugar and also maybe some ketchup.